whiteboard incorporates some of our favourite Promethean software tools, the Mass tools. Select the Mass Tools button on the toolbar to access the ruler, protractor and set square. Click any tool to add it to your canvas. With the selector tool in use, drag the tool anywhere on the canvas. Pinch and zoom to change the size of the tool or rotate it. Use the pen tool to draw lines along the ruler's edge. When you have finished, tap the selector and then click the X on the Mass tool to close it. With the protractor, you can use the pen tool to fill in angles you have drawn, or to create new angles. With the selector tool in use, annotations created with these tools can be moved, rotated and resized as well.